my name is Kahan. Today, in the table tips and tricks series, I am going to teach you a trick for writing the 4 table very easily. I hope you have watched our 2 times table tricks as well as 3 times table tricks. If you have not gone through, click the link below or visit our channel. Before we proceed the trick, let's recite the 4th table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Now let's know the tricks. First, we have to draw 2 by 2 grid. One box at the top and one box at the bottom. So, in the first box, one's digit, we have to write just like the 2 table, but the difference is we have to do from down to up and from left to right. So we will write 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 at the outside of the box. Now at the second box, we have to copy the same process just like the top box. And now we will write 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 at the outside of the box. Let us complete the 10th place. To complete the 10th place, we have to remember a pattern. The pattern I will teach you. The pattern is you have in 2 boxes. You can see 2 boxes. From there, you will divide into 4 rows. First row and second row in the first box. Third row and the fourth row in the second box. Let us complete the rows. In the first row, you have to write 0, 0, 0. In the second row, 10th digit, you have to write 1, 1, 1. You can see the 0 at the outside of the box. For the 10th digit, you have to write 2. In the third row, you have to write 2, 2, 2. In the fourth place, in the row, you have to write 3, 3, 3. You can see the 0 at the outside of this box. You have to write 4 for the 10th digit. Means it is spelling 40. Now you have got the 4 times table. Isn't it so amazing for learning the 4 times table? If this trick is helpful for you, then you must share it with your family members, your relatives, your friends, or your class with whoever you'd like. If you like my video, please press the thumbs up button and don't forget to press the subscribe button and please press the bell icon for more notification of my new videos. Thank you. I love you all.